The new GAZ-69 2026 is not just a car, it's the rebirth of a Soviet legend that once conquered the harshest terrains of the world. The original GAZ-69, produced from the early 1950s, was known for its indestructible character, military toughness, and simplicity. It became a true symbol of Soviet engineering, used both by the army and civilians. Now, in 2026, the legend has returned, completely reimagined for the modern age while preserving its classic soul and timeless ruggedness. The 2026 GAZ-69 keeps the original boxy, utilitarian silhouette that made it iconic, but every line has been refined for aerodynamics and modern taste. The front grille proudly displays the classic GAZ emblem, framed by new LED headlights that combine retro round shapes with advanced light technology. The body is built with high-strength lightweight steel and aluminium, giving it durability without the old heaviness. The wheel arches are wider, and the ground clearance is impressive, ready to take on deep mud, snow, or rocky mountain paths. The designers made sure the spirit of the old off-roader remained untouched. The flat hood, upright windshield, and exposed hinges on the doors pay tribute to the original 1950s design. But step closer, and you'll see modern craftsmanship everywhere. The car now comes with a choice of two roof styles, a removable soft-top and a hard-top version, perfect for adventure lovers who want both freedom and protection. The rear section features a classic spare wheel mounted on the tailgate, just like the original, but redesigned with a sleek metallic casing and integrated camera. Inside, the transformation is dramatic yet respectful to history. The cabin keeps the rugged, minimalistic charm but adds luxury and technology. The dashboard is wrapped in durable eco-leather with aluminium accents, while the classic round dials are now digital displays designed to look analog. The steering wheel carries the retro GAZ logo, and every control knob feels mechanical and solid, giving a satisfying touch of old-school engineering. Yet, the infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen with voice control, smartphone integration, and off-road navigation that works even without network coverage. Under the hood, the new GAZ-69 2026 comes with two engine options. The first is a 2.5-litre turbocharged diesel producing 210 horsepower, made for endurance and fuel efficiency. The second is a 3.0-litre hybrid unit that combines a petrol engine with an electric motor, offering 300 horsepower and instant torque for steep climbs and rough terrains. Both options are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and an intelligent 4x4 drive system that automatically distributes power to the wheels for maximum grip. Locking differentials, hill descent control, and multiple terrain modes make it a true off-road champion. GAZ engineers also focused on comfort and safety, two things the old model lacked. The new suspension system is fully independent, giving the driver control even on broken paths, while adaptive dampers absorb shocks without losing the rugged feel. Modern safety systems include lane assist, blind spot detection, and automatic braking. Despite its vintage looks, the car is as safe and smart as any premium SUV on the market today. The interior space has grown too. The GAZ-69 2026 seats 5 passengers comfortably, with foldable rear seats that expand the cargo area for gear, tools, or camping supplies. Heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone climate control make long journeys enjoyable, while the waterproof interior materials ensure that even if you drive through rain, mud, or snow, cleaning the cabin is easy. The sound of the new GAZ-69 is another nostalgic detail, deep, powerful, and mechanical, reminiscent of the original Soviet roar but refined to modern acoustic standards. It feels alive, like a machine built for those who love driving, not just sitting behind the wheel. GAZ didn't just revive a car, they revived an era. The GAZ-69 2026 is a tribute to a generation that valued strength, simplicity, and reliability. It's made for explorers, farmers, soldiers, and anyone who believes that vehicles should be more than luxury, they should be loyal companions. With this new model, GAZ has bridged the gap between past and future, bringing the old Soviet spirit into the age of smart technology. In a world full of crossovers that look the same, the new GAZ-69 stands out as a true character car, bold, functional, and authentic. It's a message that legends never die, they simply evolve. And in 2026, the GAZ-69 has done just that, evolved into a masterpiece that honors its roots while proving it still has the heart to conquer any road ahead.